Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ricky coming to you with a beautiful 4-pack booster opening. Woo! So we got 4 packs of XY Evolutions. This is going to be my first unboxing video. First one was my fiance. Now it's my turn, so I got 4 packs. Let's do this. So, I get these packs sometimes, but pick these guys up at Best Buy. So let's open the first one. If I could ever open it, alright. So here's your guys' code card. I don't mind getting those out. I don't play Pokemon online. So I believe it's okay. First one is a double colorless energy. Not bad pool, right? Charizard Spirit Link. Got myself a Metapod, a Rattata, Charmander, Ghastly, Growlithe, Steel Energy. So my reverse will be Vulpix, and last but not least, my rare will be Mew. Not bad, right? Okay, on to the second pack. Let's go with Venusaur. I like me a Venusaur instead. So again, these were picked up at Best Buy, so I'm super excited about that. I'll take care of Pokemon cards. Code card, there you guys go. 1, 2, and 3. First card is going to be a Haunter, Maintenance, Poliwhirl, a Seal, Staryu, Doduo, Ponyta, Tangela. I believe the reverse will be Charmander, nice. And the rare will be regular old Starmie. Not bad. On to the next pack. I'll do the Raichu pack. Raichu is among my favorite of the original because I'm a huge Pikachu fan. So let's do this. Beautiful code card. Oh, wait. Code card. So again, 1, 2, and 3. Let's flip these the right way. Alright, let's do this. So I got Misty's Determination. Oh, secret rare. Nice. Let's see. Not bad for a secret rare. Next will be Maintenance, Growlithe, Pikachu, Psychic Energy, Charmander, I believe Rattata. Reverse will be Brock's Grit, and last but not least, it's Farfetch. Come on. Alright, last pack. Let's do this. So this is my last pack of the day. So let me know. I really want to get into unboxing videos because I do like Pokemon a lot. So, I am from New Mexico, so we need someone who does unboxing Pokemon videos right here. So if you guys want to see more, please subscribe. I guess that's what they say. So let's see. Okay. Beautiful code card. Upside down again, like always. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's do this. De-Evolution Spray. Got a Magmar. Got a Switch. Got a Charmander. Now if only I can pull that Charizard. Voltorb. Got a Fire Energy. Vulpix. Tangela. Reverse will be Professor Oak's Hint. And my rare will be Mewtwo non-foil. I cannot believe I pulled a Mew and a Mewtwo today. Alright guys, so, these were probably the 2 best pulls of it today. I know Mewtwo is very common, but that Mew though, look at that beautiful artwork. Well guys, if you did like that, let me know. I will do more. Again, name is Ricky, so please let me know. Have a wonderful day.